Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power the phone off and remove the case, SIM card, and any memory card so you can access edges. Next, use a microfiber and 70% isopropyl to clean the glass. Wipe gently and dry fully to remove oils that block capacitive touch. Once done, peel off any screen protector and inspect edges for lifting debris. A small gap can stop touch. Make sure there's no visible moisture, and then power on to test basic responsiveness. Now, isolate the problem. Boot into safe mode to see if an app causes the issue. If touch returns, uninstall the last installed or updated apps. If not, update the phone's OS and firmware, because software fixes often restore calibration and drivers. Once updated, and if you're technically able, power off and open the back panel to check the digitizer ribbon and connector for visible misalignment or corrosion. Reseat gently. Make sure to ground yourself to avoid static damage. Then power on and retest touch. If the digitizer is faulty, order the correct OEM or high-quality replacement screen and follow a step-by-step kit. Start by transferring small components, home button, front camera, sensors, so functionality stays intact. Connect the new digitizer, test touch response thoroughly before applying adhesive, and only then seal the device. Once reassembled, verify multi-touch, gestures, and edges. If touch still fails, restore a backup and try a factory reset. If problems
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.